Straight Talk offers 24/7 live chat support via their website and app. To access it, log into your account on straighttalk.com/support/chat or through the Straight Talk app. The app, available on iOS and Android, now has a direct live chat widget. Account login is required for personalized help. Guest access is limited. Be prepared with your account details like phone number or IMEI for quicker assistance. Wait times can range from 5 to 15 minutes during peak hours and longer on weekends. The system supports English and Spanish. Tips for effective chat support: start with clear communication and understanding the system. For a smooth experience, clearly describe your issue initially, avoid jargon, and stay polite. AI chatbots now handle routine inquiries, escalating to human agents when needed. If disconnected, your progress is usually saved. Never share sensitive payment information unless prompted by the system. If chat is unavailable, use phone support at 1-877-430-2355 or the community forums on the website. Remember, AI handles 60% of interactions now, but might not be suitable for complex issues.